How to start a factory business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a factory business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to venture into manufacturing or someone interested in scaling up your existing operations, this video will provide you with valuable insights and steps to get started. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Identify your niche and market demand. Before starting a factory business, it's crucial to identify a niche or a specific area of manufacturing you want to focus on. Conduct market research to determine the demand for your product or service. Analyze industry trends, target demographics, and competitors to assess the market potential. This step is vital in ensuring that you have a viable and profitable business idea. Step 2. Develop a comprehensive business plan. Once you've identified your niche and market demand, it's time to create a detailed business plan. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your factory business. It should include your mission and vision, market analysis, product/service description, operational strategies, financial projections, and marketing plans. A well-crafted business plan not only helps you clarify your goals but also attracts potential investors and lenders. Step 3. Arrange sufficient capital. Starting a factory business requires a significant amount of capital. You'll need funds for purchasing or leasing a facility, buying equipment and machinery, hiring and training employees, and covering operational costs. Consider various financing options such as personal savings, bank loans, angel investors, or government grants. It's important to have a clear understanding of your financial needs and secure sufficient capital to kickstart your business successfully. Step 4. Secure a suitable location. Selecting the right location for your factory is critical. Factors such as proximity to suppliers, transportation infrastructure, availability of skilled labor, and local regulations should be considered. Additionally, ensure that the facility meets your space requirements, has proper utility connections, and complies with safety and environmental standards. A well-chosen location can significantly impact the efficiency and profitability of your factory business. Step 5. Acquire necessary permits and licenses. Compliance with legal requirements is essential for operating a factory business. Research the permits and licenses needed for your specific industry and location. This may include business registration, environmental permits, health and safety certifications, and more. Consult with local authorities or regulatory bodies to ensure you meet all the necessary legal obligations. Failing to obtain the required permits can lead to penalties or even the closure of your business. Step 6. Source reliable suppliers and partners. Building a reliable supply chain is crucial for a factory business. Identify reputable suppliers who can provide you with high-quality raw materials or components at competitive prices. Establish strong relationships with suppliers to ensure timely deliveries and consistent quality. Additionally, consider partnerships or collaborations with other businesses that can complement your operations and help you reach a wider market. Step 7. Invest in efficient operations and quality control. Invest in modern equipment and machinery that can optimize production processes, reduce costs, and improve product quality. Implement robust quality control systems to ensure that your products meet or exceed customer expectations. Regularly monitor and analyze your operations to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to enhance efficiency and productivity. Step 8. Develop a strong marketing strategy. Finally, don't overlook the importance of marketing your factory business. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to raise awareness, generate leads, and attract customers. Utilize both traditional and digital marketing channels such as print media, trade shows, social media, and online advertising. Build a strong brand reputation and communicate the unique value proposition of your products or services to differentiate yourself in the market. Closing. And that's it for today's video on how to start a factory business. By following these steps and putting in the necessary effort, you can lay a solid foundation for a successful manufacturing venture. Remember, starting a factory business requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability to market changes. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.